Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to take you on a quick tour of a studio apartment in Rotterdam, Netherlands. One of my friend recently shifted to Netherlands for work, and while searching for accommodation she found this cool and affordable studio apartment. So let's take a quick tour of the same. Please watch this video till the end, as I will also share the information regarding rent and other details of this accommodation. Rotterdam is the second largest metropolitan in Netherlands after Amsterdam. This is how the apartment looks from outside. Since this is slightly outskirts of the city, plenty of open spaces and ample space available for parking. Let's get into the apartment. These apartments are fully furnished. You can see the large wardrobe space at the right side of the entrance passage. A big dining table. Let's check out what else do we have. Pretty standard compact kitchen platform. We have two full height French windows for plenty of natural light throughout the day. Kind of a storage rack at the corner. The storage space above kitchen platform. Then we have two-seater sofa and extra chair and a TV in the living room. And this here is a small bedroom with a sliding glass door partition. So any guesses what could be the rent of this apartment? If you think of booking this size of room in any of the hotel or Airbnb around Rotterdam, you will have to pay at least 1500 to 1800 euros. But you will be surprised to hear that the rent of this apartment is only 1067 euros, and that too including Wi-Fi and other facilities. The electricity bill is also included in this rent. In fact, if your timing is correct, you can even get these apartment around 950 euros or something. This is the attached toilet bathroom with wash basin area. Also check out the night view of this apartment. As I mentioned, this is slightly outskirts of the city, so you'll have to wait for the shuttles to travel to the city areas, and the frequency will not be that much, especially on the weekends. The frequency will be very low. All this cutlery in the kitchen, the coffee maker and some beddings in the bedroom, all this is part of the rent, and no extra charges are taken for this. You can see a compact little fridge smartly fit under the kitchen platform. So yes, you must be thinking why these accommodations are cheaper, right? So here is the interesting part. These accommodations are provided by the government for the people who are landing in Netherlands for the first time, and they are searching for temporary accommodation to stay, like for 3 months or 6 months. You can stay here for up to 6 months, and you can easily search for the permanent accommodation. So how do you find these apartments? So check out their official website hollandtostay.com and search for the city where you are looking for the temporary accommodation. Maximum of 2 people can share this accommodation, so if you have family of 2, or if you are a student or you want to stay frugal, this is the best and economical option. Especially considering the rent of 1067 euros, which is around 95,000 INR and 1150 USD. If 2 people can stay in this, it's quite economical. If you liked my video, please let me know in the comments and hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.